Hello, Jai Hind, my dear students. Today we have to start our first chapter, Relations and Functions of Class 12th Mathematics. Now, first we have to understand what is the meaning of relation. Relation means connection. Relation means संबंध. Relation means एक एलिमेंट को दूसरे एलिमेंट के साथ कनेक्ट करना. इन डेली लाइफ में बेटा बहुत सारे रिलेशंस होते हैं. फादर सन रिलेशन, सिस्टर ब्रदर रिलेशन, मदर जो है डॉटर रिलेशन एंड सो ऑन. देयर आर many relations in daily life. Now we have to understand what is the meaning of relation in mathematical way. Let us suppose that let A and B are two non-empty sets. Then capital R is said to be a relation from set A to B, from set A to set B if R is a subset of a Cartesian product B. If R is a subset of a Cartesian product B. Now, for example, let us suppose that A contains 1, 2, 3 elements and B is another set which contains 4 and 5 elements. Now, we know that a Cartesian product B can be written as 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. This is the A Cartesian product B. Now R1 is equal to 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4. Is this a relation? Yes, it is a relation because it satisfies the definition of relation. Because we know that R is a relation from A to B if R is a subset of a Cartesian product B. Now here R1 contains 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, which are the member of a Cartesian product B. Therefore, we can say that R1 is a relation. R1 is a relation from A to B. Now, similarly, if R2 is equal to 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. Is this R2 is subset of A cross B? Yes sir. क्योंकि R2 is equal to a Cartesian product B. Therefore, this R2 is known as universal relation. क्या बोलते हैं बेटा इसको? Universal relation. कब? When R is equal to a Cartesian product B. इसको बोलते हैं बेटा universal relation. क्या बोलते हैं? Universal relation. Okay. After that बेटा types of relation हमें अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. Now, एक important question आता है बेटा यहाँ से कि let us suppose that set A contains m number of elements, or if let us suppose that n of A is equal to number of elements in set A is equal to m and number of elements in set B is equal to m, then number of relations from A to B. Important question होता है बेटा. कितना होता है? 2 raised to the power number of A into the number of element in B. It means 2 raised to the power m into n. This is the formula to calculate the number of relations from set A to set B. Is it clear? Yes, yeah, no? Okay. Now after that we have to understand beta what are the types of relations. Now मैं इसको erase करता हूँ बेटा. Types of relations. First, beta identity relation. Now, how we can define identity relation? Let capital A be a non-empty set. Then capital R is said to be a relation, said to be an identity relation on A if every element of set A is related to itself only. ध्यान से देखिए बेटा, समझने की बात है कि a relation R is said to be an identity relation on capital A if every element of set A is related to itself only. For example, beta, let us suppose that A contains A, B, C, D elements. Then R is said to be identity relation on A if A is related to A, B is related to B, C is related to C, and D is related to D. तो ध्यान से देखिए कि सेट A के अंदर 4 एलिमेंट हैं, 4 के 4 एलिमेंट सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने आप से रिलेटेड है, अपने आप से कनेक्टेड है. Therefore, this relation is called identity relation. क्योंकि identity relation में बेटा यहाँ लिखा गया है कि those element which related to itself only. It means जो elements हैं वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने आप से ही related होने चाहिए. तो इस टाइप के relation को हम क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Identity relation. After that, second आता है बेटा reflexive relation. Now, a relation R is said to be a reflexive relation on A. A relation capital R is said to be a reflexive relation on A if every element of A is related to itself. यहाँ पे बेटा ओनली वर्ड यूज नहीं होगा. इट मीन्स है क्या कि R को रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन ऑन सेट ए तभी बोलेंगे जब ए के सारे एलिमेंट अपने आप से रिलेटेड हो और किसी और से रिलेटेड हैं तब भी वो रिफ्लेक्सिव होगा. क्योंकि हमें बस ये चेक करना होगा क्या वो अपने आप से रिलेटेड है. अगर है तो वो रिफ्लेक्सिव है, किसी दूसरे से भी है तो हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेटा A is equal to 1 2 3, then R is equal to 1 1